This is my 1972 Ferrari Dino GTS, and if you look at the wheels, 4 of them have the word Fiat on them. Hello YouTube, today we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is the Dino wheels and the presence of the word Fiat on them. Welcome to Tiafo Garage.
Tiafo Garage.
And the 5th one, the spare, has the word Dino. When I bought the car, I noticed that one of them said Dino, that was actually mounted on the wheel, and the other 3 said Fiat. And initially I thought, oh gosh, I have to go find 4 Dino wheels, and then after some research, including Matthias Barth's book called the Dino Compendium, which is an outstanding book, it turns out that these cars, for their initial run up until, I want to say 73, maybe 74, had the Fiat wheels, and the Dino wheels came later. And so I've seen forums where people say, hey, your Ferrari should say Dino and not Fiat on the wheels, and that's not correct. I'll take this off. I found a single Fiat wheel on eBay. I'm gonna clean that up, and my plan is to swap out the Dino wheel for the Fiat wheel. I've got both wheels cleaned up. Flipping them over, my Dino was built in July of 72. This wheel was built in March of 74, 3 dots. So you know this wheel wasn't on my car originally. This wheel was built in either January or February of 72. It's got the dot in the second location. There is actually 1 or 2 more variations of this wheel type, so I'll see if I can get some images from Chris, because I know he's got some lying around with yet different configurations. So I'll add that to the video here. I also wanted to point out that these same wheels or same wheel configuration was used on the Fiat Dino Coupe made by Bertoni, the Fiat Dino Spider made by Pininfarina, as well as the Ferrari 308 GT4 Dino, and then of course the Ferrari Dinos 246. This wheel has been repainted, and you can see it's slightly lighter than this one, which has not been repainted, the factory original. That topic will be the subject of a future Tiafo Garage video, where we'll explore how to remedy the color situation. If you're interested in hearing about that, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.
Tiafo Garage.